Azus Premier kedai kata ke rukam terekam hakaba dan sperm dan duna sperm hapua ke semen sampel jangfi berkenai kelong pen kelumari kisilok. Nilati kena bangidan ke jingkerman nak kebenta jang ke pregnancy Henry ke rukam terekam jang ke tesa testicular sperm extraction nila ban extra ke semen nak ke testis jangfi bang injek yaka hak sembai jang ke female partner berki teknologi jang ke intracytoplasmic injection bangin yo ke result ke babiang.
Dakajang temu ban Pynphriang ya ke Khubor ban pendek pensa bat ban Iada ya ke Mariang hakasni rakhe ya ke World Environment Day ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh kala penlong ya ke cycle rally hakalang ke Thai Nongpoh ke bale shimbenta de ke Khynnah Skul ban kentu ya ke patba ban Iada ya ke Mariang
ya ke Khubor halor ke jing don kam ban long ki ba adakar bat ke badan jingket klie na ke benta ke jing pendek pensa ya ke Mariang ba ke jing don jing em jongka Khubor penya jongka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh hakasan trek ujleo arhajar orkusan kilapan long da ke Jingniah sekoto pat ba da ke rally banyak dek cycle leshim bentar dek Khynnah Skul dan bagi hikai hagane ke program yang nyak cycle ban pha ke Khubor banyada ke Mariang laya shim bentar kumbasan pengut ki Khynnah Skul bagi hikai ki belara rengkat bagi jingtho ki Khubor lo ke jing koridor jong ke Mariang bat bandon ke jingket klik kum kipat ba banyada ke Mariang na ke bentar ki pateng banuan ya ke jingnya cycle la sedang nak pelau jong ke Skul balaya cedok ke lat office sericulture bat wan pai biang chaka pelau jong ne ke Skul na kaliang umad haf sing uno hikai ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School uli tho bagani senjam kalong shibenta jong ke jingrakhe ke World Environment Day ne ke sni pennek Mariang hakaba ki bor ke Skul kila shim nagane ke senjam bani wer ki patba kumno bat smoto ke jing koridor jong ke Mariang bat bani daya ka Ulong ru banalor ke Khubor da Mariang kane kesenjam kalong kum shibenta ke jingkai ki Khynnah Skul bat gi patba kum no men sumare la ka kot ka khya de ka be shimbenta ki jingkilan met ban lat ru na ki jing shitom ki bahar rukom
People are celebrating the environment day because the environment is one of the most important factors to have a good life and safe life, peaceful life in our planet Earth. So we from the Alpha English Higher Secondary School with the students, we are going to organize a small cycle rally just to bring awareness among the people with the help of the slogans. You can see here, like there are some slogans we have written here, like do not pollute, I will salute, I will respect all the people of the Nongpoh area and the entire Khubor district to see that do not make any pollution near the roadside or anywhere in your vicinity of your house or the village. Plus, we are taking this as a rally to tell the people that join the race to make the world a better place for everyone to live peacefully here with a neat and clean environment, a healthy environment. Plus, cycle rally will also give you an example that it is to maintain your fitness, because to maintain a good environment, the fitness is very important. So through this rally we are giving message to the people that let us all together join hand together to protect our environment. So happy World Environment Day to all the people of Meghalaya and all over India. Have a good wishes to all the students who are taking part in this rally, that let us all together help to keep our environment clean and green. Thank you very much.